We're going to create a program using the TI Inspire that will give you the area of a triangle when you know three side lengths of the triangle. So we'll be creating a program called Heron's Formula. So first thing you're going to do is go to the home screen. We'll click on that so you get back to the main menu. And from there we can click on one, new document, and one, add calculator. And from there you'll hit menu, and then from menu we'll type functions and programs, and we're going to go to program editor and hit new, and we're going to call this program Heron's Formula, and you hit OK. Oh, we have an invalid name, I think, because of that comma. So let's go back and let's get rid of that comma, and we will just call this Heron's Formula. We'll just do one word there. Heron's Formula. Okay, that should work. Yep. And so now you have your split screen, and we're going to type our code on the right-hand side. And so if you drag your cursor, you can reduce the size of the window on the left so you can see a little bit better the window on the right. So we're going to scroll down and place our cursor underneath the program line here to write our first line of code. So if you go to menu and number 6, and then number 2, you can either scroll over to 2 or you can just hit number 2, and that's request. And we're going to type in well, actually, if you go to the question mark here, you can click on these quotations, and then we will type in enter side A. And we'll go outside of the quotations, put a comma, and A. And so that will be for entering side A. And then you hit enter. And we're going to do the same thing for sides B and side C. So menu, number 6, request. Go next to the G is this question mark. We'll click on that. Quotations, enter side B. And we'll put it B. And hit enter. And whoops. And then we're going to do menu. I don't know. And request. And quotations. Enter side C. And C. And then next, we're going to define a new variable. So you'll hit enter. And we're going to call it S for the semi-perimeter. And then we're going to put a colon. And so that's right here. And then we're going to hit control division symbol. Whoops. That will give you a fraction, but I did it too early. So we're going to hit backspace. And let's just clear that all out and try that again. Okay, so enter, and we're going to define our variable again, semi-perimeter, so S, and colon, and you have to click the right arrow here to get this to move over to the end, and then we'll do the control. Did it again. Oh, we need an equals. Okay, so let's go back here. So let's get rid of this. So we're going to do S colon equals. And now we will do the control division. There we go. And so we're going to define the semi-perimeter as side A. So in the numerator we'll have A plus B plus C. And then the denominator we're dividing by 2. And so that will give us our semi-perimeter. Okay, press enter. And next we'll go to menu and 6. And we're going to display. So 1. And we're going to type the area is, and we'll put a space. And outside of the quotations, we'll put a comma, and then we're going to type in the Heron's formula. So that's going to be control x squared, which is the square root, and we'll type in s. Actually, put the cursor here, and we'll type in s. And then you have to use the multiplication operator here, otherwise it may not work properly. So we'll do s times, and we'll do parentheses, s minus a. And then we need to do the multiplication operator again. And parentheses, click inside the parentheses, s minus b. And let's scroll over here. And then we'll do the multiplication operator again. And parentheses, s, well, to click inside the parentheses, s minus c. And close parentheses. And that looks good. So everything's good there. We're going to go back over to the side here so we can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the top and click right underneath program, and we're going to hit enter once, and we're going to go up. And what we have to do is make sure that these variables A, B, and C are cleared out in case they've been used for other programs or in the calculator. So we're going to type in delete variable A, and then delete variable B, and del var C. And then lastly, we want to get rid of S in case it's been used before as well. So del var S, and don't hit enter that time, we'll just leave it, and we should be good. Okay. So that's our code for the program, and what we need to do now is go back to the menu, and we're going to click menu, and you click check syntax. So check syntax and store. So we click that, give it a second, and it will say Heron's formula stored successfully. And so once it's stored successfully, it's ready to be used. And so let's go try it. So over on the left, we can expand this window and we can give it a try. So to try it, we're going to type in Heron's formula, and it goes to a bold font indicating that it's recognizing Heron's formula, and you put a parentheses and hit enter. It's asking us for a side A, So we'll do a 3, 4, 5 triangle because that's really easy because it's a right triangle. And we know that the area of a right triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So 1/2 of 3 times 4 is, well, 3 times 4 is 12. So 1/2 of 12 is 6. So we should get an area of 6 here. But let's use Heron's formula instead of the 1/2 base times height to confirm. So enter side A is 3. Enter. Enter side B is 4. Enter side C is 5. And there we go. A is 3, B is 4, C is 5, the area is 6, and we're done. So that is how you can create a program using the TI Nspire to find the area of a triangle given 3 side lengths.